Hi, I'm Saskia, and I'll be talking about more advanced functionality in REDCap, which could help you when collecting data for research purposes, such as clinical trials or longitudinal studies. In this video, I will show you how to export your data or subsets of your data from REDCap. You can easily export all of your data from REDCap. However, there may be instances where it may be more useful to export a subset of data. For example, if you are sharing data with a third party who are not allowed access to identifiable data, or you want to analyze data on patients who have a specific disease in a study collecting information on several diseases. When building your project, make sure to mark any identifiable fields, such as date of birth or patient name, before starting data collection. In the designer, you do this by selecting Yes in the identifier box on the right-hand side. Alternatively, in the data dictionary, you can do this by adding a lowercase y into the identifier column, usually column K. To export a subset of your data, open your project and go to Data Exports, Reports and Stats in the Application section of the left-hand pane. You can select whether you would like to export the entire project's data, data from selected instruments, or from a custom report. To create a report, follow the instructions in the How to Build a Report video. Once you have decided which subset of data you would like to export, click on the blue Export Data button in the middle of the View Export Options column. A pop-up will appear. The first column allows you to select your export format from a list of common formats suitable for statistical packages. The second column allows you to select any de-identification options you wish to apply to your data, such as removing tagged identifiers or unvalidated text fields. On the right-hand side are some advanced data formatting options, which allow you to select the delimiter that separates your data values or to specify a format for decimal numbers. Once you have made the necessary selections, click Export Data. Another pop-up will now appear with a citation notice and a clickable icon to download your data. Click the icon, and your data will now download through your browser. Save the data export in an appropriate place. If you ever need to re-download a previous export, go to the File repository. In the second Data Export Files tab, you will see the latest data export file from your project. Use the drop-down Filter By menu to show selected or all data exports from your project. You can then download these by clicking on the icons on the right-hand side of each dataset. Please see the links to additional resources alongside this video in the description.